Today I'm going to show you how to season and bake mackerel. Alright, let's get started. Well, okay guys, all you want to do with your mackerel is just make some little slits, as you can see, and you just do both sides. This way when we do our seasoning, it gets right inside your fish. We got 2 fish here. As you see, I did it nicely. Okay? Okay, now we're going to season up our mackerel. We're going to start with a little garlic, olive oil, some salt and black pepper, some paprika, and some nice dry basil. And let's add a little bit of scallions. Don't be shy. Oh wow, that's gonna be great. All right. Now let's mix that up. And then you want to taste it. You want to make sure it's the flavor that you're looking for. So let's just mix that up nicely. Okay, that's a nice consistency. That's going to be a nice rub. Wonderful. Okay, let's do a little taste. Wow, that's great. I'm going to add just a little bit more olive oil. And now, I think it's ready. Okay guys, I already went ahead and greased my pan nicely. So you just want to brush this on nicely and heavily. Don't be shy and do both sides. Okay? You want to do both sides. Just going to open this skin up like we had slid it. You want to get that nicely in there. Just pinch it nicely. Wonderful. Just want to pinch it, get those nice flavors in there. Just pinch it, open that up a little bit. Wonderful. That's what you want. Just press it in there. Yes. Just going to brush it nicely. Going to get inside there. You want to get all over, get that flavor all in there. Don't be shy. Wow, this is beautiful. It smells delicious, guys. That's wonderful. Just pinch it. We're doing both sides, guys. Just pinch it nicely. Let it fall right inside the slots. It goes right inside. Okay? We get right in there. You drop surface. Get it in there. All right. Wonderful. Okay, guys. Look at this. This is what you want. All right? And you can let it sit a little bit, let that flavor sink in, and then you put it right in the oven. So you can do this ahead of time and let it sit. 15-20 minutes in the refrigerator, whatever's best for you, and then you can put it right in the oven and cook it. All right, we just sprinkle a little paprika for color. All right. Wonderful, just like that, guys. Okay. Okay, let's put this in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees or until fully cooked. All right, this is it, guys, straight out of the oven. Wow, look at this. Baked mackerel. Wonderful. This is it. Thanks, guys, for watching. And until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.